Hi everyone, today we'll be discussing about a new widget called Stepper in Flutter. So let's get started. First, let me create a stateless widget and name it as my app. Import the package material.dot and return material app. We don't need the debug checker mode banner. So let's just set as false. Let me create another class, my page. Create it on myself. This is a stateful widget. My page extends state. Forgot the main now. Main function with the map of my app. Okay. So the basic is over. Now we are entering into the main idea of developing the stepper widget. We just need a variable called index to access the position of the task in that stepper. Okay. Now let's return scaffold. Timer. Now the container have a child. That's the stepper widget. The stepper widget has steps, and the first step will be having title. Let's give it as title, which is a text field. Task 1. So content, which is mandatory. Let's give it a text, an identity text, and you can also give subtitle, which is below the title bar. Let me give it something like completed, say for example. Okay. Now title, subtitle, content, and is active is another type of parameter that it has, which is true. Then status, sorry, not status, state. Okay, state. It has completed, disable editing error index. Now let's give completed for this. So let's align it. Just copy this step and paste it again. Give it as task 2. which will be also completed through and can copy it, paste 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's have 5 tasks right now, or else 6. Align it, go to task 2, task 3. Now you can change those completed as disabled editing error anything. Let me give it as disabled, and for this one let me give it as editing, and for this one let me give it as error. Last one or completed task 3, task 4, task 5, 6 and 7. So with this you'll be creating a stepper with 7 tasks with editing and error completed. Okay, so what is the use of this index? So we will be using that index after this to set the state. Current step will be initializing it with index. Okay, now on each tab, on step tab index parameter is the function will set the state as the state index as the current index. Okay, so let's align it. Okay, we now just created. Okay, now we just need, don't forget to write the control builders. Okay, control builders just build content or context small context while forward back step while call back step cancel. Okay, just container of void callback, so it's small b. Let's align it. With this we end the construction method of stepper widget. So thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video. Okay, bye.